We're the leading fast casual cafe known for our food and smoothies with a tropical twist. During 2018, we opened 110 cafes with a little over 60% coming from existing franchise owners. This really speaks to our success.
We always hope as a franchisor that we can provide a better business model for our franchisees that'll be more attractive for them to join the tropical smoothie system.
When our franchisees can focus on operating their cafes and giving a wonderful guest experience rather than having to deal with technology issues, that's the experience that we want both for the folks in our cafes and for our guests. So prior to the newly redesigned Tropical Tech Support, we had a small team of folks here who basically were responsible to manage escalations to a variety of vendors. And it created some frustration for our franchisees because they often had to talk to several different vendors to resolve a problem. When you're in the franchise business, it's important to make sure that you're working with companies that understand the needs of franchisees.
There's several reasons we chose to work with Capgemini. I think first, Capgemini has depth in terms of retail and QSR experience, which is very relevant to our franchisee system. Capgemini works with several franchisee businesses similar to ours, and as a franchisor, it's really important to us that we provide that level of expertise and understanding of franchisee business when providing technology support. Additionally, this follow the sun model, where we're able to provide support from 7 a.m. to midnight, 7 days a week to our franchisees, is something beyond what we could have ever done in-house for our brand.
It's early in the process, but having a great ticketing system that allows us to have analytics is giving us great directional information about areas where we may be able to improve.
Franchisees have had very favorable response. Now that they have one place to go for their cafe tech issues, that they can really focus on the operations of their business and let Capgemini help manage their technology issues.